Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Michael Ezanata. In this video, I want to briefly look at the surface area of a cuboid, as I'm aware that some of us are not clear on how we can derive the surface area of a cuboid. So I intend to do that in this video. Okay, I have made a drawing on the screen, on the whiteboard. That is a cuboid. Alright, it's having a 6 faces. Now I've tried to use different colors to denote each of the faces. Now we have the top and the bottom, they are the same, so I've used the blue color to indicate that. Then we have the left corner and then the right corner, they are also the same. I've used the black marker to also indicate that. Then of course we have the front side and the back side, which I've also used yellow to indicate. Now we have the dimensions here to be length, and we have the breadth and the height. So we want to find out how we can calculate the surface area of this. Now mind you, when we say total surface area, we mean that you should add up the areas of all the given sides. But as a cuboid, we know that it has 3 distinct faces because the front and the back are the same, top and the bottom are the same, and the left hand corner and the right corner, they are the same. So let us see how we can calculate. If we want to calculate the area of the top, knowing that the top is the same thing as the bottom, for us to calculate the area of the top and the bottom, remember that area is given by length times breadth. So for us to calculate the area of this top, that will mean the same thing as us calculating the area of the bottom, because they have the same dimension, and that will give us length times breadth, that is for the top, which will give us LB. Alright, now because the top and the bottom are the same thing, therefore the area is 2LB. That's how we have that. Now that is for the top and the bottom, so we have length times breadth as a dimension, so we're having 2LB, standing in for, that is representing the top and the bottom. Now let us also calculate the area of the left hand corner here and the right hand corner somewhere here. Now when we look at a dimension, the dimension for the left hand corner and the right hand corner will be the breadth times the height. So in this case, the breadth could serve as the length, while the height could serve as the width for it. Therefore, the area of the left and the right corners, that will give us the breadth times h, that will give us BH as well, because they are 2, that is the left side and the right side. When we add their area, BH plus BH, that will give us 2BH. Then the last one is the front side and the back side. Now for us to calculate the front and the back side, following the given dimensions, dimension for the front is the same thing as that of the back, so we can use the L and the H. So the L will stand for the length, H can stand for the breadth for our front and the back. Then we'll multiply that, the area, length times breadth, so we're having L times H, and that will give us LH. That will give us LH. Now because we have 2 sides, that is the front and the back, LH plus LH, that will give us 2LH. So we are having these 2LB, 2BH, 2LH for the areas of the 6. When we add them all up, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will give us 6, standing for the 6 side. All together, that is why we can now say that the surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. Alright, which we can, because 2 is common to both sides, we can shorten it to be 2 into bracket LB plus LH plus BH, and that is how we calculate the surface area of a cuboid. So if you are given a cuboid having dimensions, maybe length 5 cm, breadth 4 cm, height 4.5 cm, and you have to calculate the surface area, you simply plug in the values in this formula: L for 5, H for B for 3, and then H for 4.5, as the case may be. That is what you have to do. When you calculate that, you solve it out and then leave your answer in squared units. That's cm squared or meter squared. That is how we basically calculate surface area of a cuboid. Okay, like I said, this is going to be a short video, so I hope you understand what we have done so far. So try to follow along and then reason it out. I'll see you in the next video.